With fewer than 50 days now until the November elections, candidates are crisscrossing the state to talk about the issues.
And today, the Walz campaign stopped in the Mid-City to talk about health care. And even though Republican challenger Brian Davis is a Mayo Clinic physician, some local doctors and nurses are still supporting Tim Walz. So where do both of these candidates stand on health care reform? ABC 6 News anchor Erica Miller, she breaks it all down on both sides.
It's a complicated, sometimes frustrating process, but the future of our nation's healthcare system is something all of us need to pay attention to.
Healthcare affects every one of our pocketbooks. It's a vital issue that we take action.
A vital issue both Republican Brian Davis and Democrat Tim Walz say they know how to fix.
Tim Walz believes that everyone should have access to healthcare coverage. It should be universal. But that to get there, we're going to have to start by looking at how we contain healthcare costs.
Greater transparency in costs so that individuals can become better informed consumers. I'd like to see us have tort reform. You know, the cost of malpractice across this country driving hospitals and doctors out of business.
And experience seems to be playing a big role in this debate. Davis says his job as a Mayo Clinic physician makes him the person to accomplish healthcare reform.
Having somebody at the table that's a physician, a nurse, a healthcare provider of any sort that's actually had experience treating these conditions can obviously make a decision and give input that's more informed than somebody who relies on bureaucrats and PhD policymakers.
But Walz supporters don't see it that way. And to prove that point, a number of doctors and nurses are turning to Walz for answers.
We have to have the voices of business in the room because healthcare costs are killing business. We have to have the voices of the healthcare providers in the room in the discussion. And we need to have the voices of patients in the discussion.
While they may have different goals, each realizes the importance of working together.
It's a matter of who has the skills to bring people together.
We always have to speak to everyone and extend our hand across the aisle.
Erica Miller, ABC 6 News.
Now, the two will continue on that campaign trail tomorrow in Rochester on the subject of energy independence.